how to fix Messenger auto logout problem. So if you want to fix your Messenger auto logout problem, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to search for Messenger. Now, after searching for Messenger, if you have any updates on your Messenger, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. Next, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection as well, because without the internet connection, you might find some kind of problems, or you might be logged out of your device. So once you've checked all of that, now what you need to do is open up your Messenger, go with your menu which will be on the bottom and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the Account Center which will be on the bottom, and I need to go with Password and Security, and here you need to go with Saved Login and go and save your login. After saving your logged info on the particular device, you won't be logged out. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.